Hey, it's your girl Paula. I'm here in the city of Concord with the owner Jamie. She's the owner of Frickin Fried Chicken.
Hello, come on out to our establishment. We're at 3525 Clayton Road in Concord, California. We got fried alligator, we got oxtails with gravy, we got fried catfish, we got red snapper, we got whiting, we got sole, we got fried chicken, the best chicken that you could taste on this side of the town. So come on by and visit us.
Y'all heard her. Come on out. I'm about to go inside right now. Let's see how it goes.
Hello, welcome to Frickin Fried. Here's the menu.
Okay, y'all. So I'm ready to do the macaroni first, because y'all know I'm a macaroni connoisseur. All right. Okay. 2 bites. Okay, the macaroni good. It's nicely seasoned. There's a little pepper in there. It's got the good cheese, gooey and melty. It's good. The noodles are perfectly cooked, so that's definitely good. All right, the red beans and rice, y'all. Oh my. Oh my. The red beans and rice are so flavorful. Wow. Like a party. This is like the closest thing since I've been in California to actually having some real food from Louisiana. These red bean and rice are really good. All right, yeah, chicken. And y'all keep in mind, all this is especially the chicken is made to order. So we'll make fresh what we got here. So. All right, y'all. Chicken is flavored, very flavorful, crispy, hot. You could taste all the, you can taste all the different ingredients, but you know it's seasoned really good. So let me eat. Y'all know I'm greedy. All right. Again, it's Frickin Fried Chicken here in the city of Concord. Come on down, y'all.